Rosales, keeping his home insured has become a battle. He says his insurance company, Safeco, canceled his policy after a drone flyover without giving him a real chance to prove his home was in good shape.
Where we got a notification from Safeco Insurance, which was our provider at the time, saying that they'd done a drone flyover of our home and sent us some pictures that were from a distance and let us know that way. And then we had a certain amount of time in which the insurance would be canceled.
Tim even told the company he was already planning to replace his roof within the year, but he says they refused to listen.
I even told the insurance company, hey, we're planning to replace the roof here within a year. Just because we know that we're getting towards the end of the life of it, and so we're going to do that anyway. But they didn't want to even extend or hear of any of it.
Tim's frustration isn't unique. Homeowners across Sacramento say they're being dropped at a higher rate, often without detailed explanations. Harold Newbill, who runs a local insurance agency, says cancellations have been rising.
We've definitely seen an increase in cancellations in all of California. Northern California has been noticeable in the last few years. A lot of insurance companies have really experienced a lot of claims.
Insurance companies argue that these inspections help reduce risk, but Newbill says older homes like many in Sacramento are being hit the hardest.
Older homes are experiencing it at a much higher rate. I mean, these homes were built 50s. I mean, there's homes in Sacramento that were built even the early 20s or even before that. So those homes obviously need more maintenance.
Some homeowners are turning to California's Fair Plan, a state-mandated insurance option for those struggling to find coverage.
So you have the Fair Plan alone, you have the Fair Plan plus a supplemental policy, you have brokerage options. The consumer does have choices, but unfortunately they're expensive and much more than they're used to.
As for Tim, he's moving forward with roof repairs, but says the larger issue needs to be fixed before more homeowners are left scrambling for coverage.
And I think it's something that absolutely is going to have to get fixed, because you can't have people in this constant state of, hey, we have homeowners insurance. Challenges of keeping and maintaining homeowners insurance, which you have to have here in California, particularly if you have a mortgage, is really difficult, and it causes a lot of added stress.
The state has made some policy changes, but the impact is still being felt here in Sacramento. If you're facing cancellation, experts recommend acting fast, getting documentation, and checking alternative providers. Covering local news that matters, Cedric Hood, Fox 40 News.